We have some off-season news, this time coming from the Liquid Moly Beta Racing Supercross team that they have signed Mitchell Oldenburg for the 2025 Supercross season. He does have a quote in here saying, "I'm super excited to be working with Beta USA for 2025 and being able to race all 17 rounds of Supercross this season. With this being my first full season in the 450 class, I'm looking forward to growing the team and getting better each weekend." Okay, pretty good. Uh, the team manager, Carlin Gardner, said, quote, "Beta USA is super happy to be working with Mitchell for the 2025 season. Mitchell brings great experience to the team, and we look forward to him showing up at Anaheim 1 on his Beta 450 RX." Now, funny enough, there's also a little tidbit in here. They are only racing the Supercross season. If you actually look at the team will compete in 3 selected outdoor motocross events and 3 SMX races at the end of the year. So they're not running a full outdoor campaign. They're only running, the full Supercross season, but not technically the full SMX season. Now, obviously, uh, Oldenburg will be joining Benny Bloss, who is also on the team, basically taking the ride of Colt Nichols, who left it last year or got fired, whatever happened there. But so yeah, this is our first little bit of silly season news. People moving around from teams to teams. And the funny thing is, this is also a little thing from Oldenburg. He holds the honor of being the first rider in history to qualify for a 450XX main event on a 250cc motorcycle. I didn't know that. As I'm reading this is from Racer X. That's a pretty cool little thing. So I don't know. You guys tell me below. Do you think this is a good move? What do you think about them not running a full season, or technically, a full SMX season? How well do you think Mitchell will do? How well do you think Benny Bloss will do? Do you like Beta? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.